Are you making these data analysis mistakes? Many analysts make critical errors that affect their results. Let's fix them. Mistake number 1. Ignoring missing data. Missing values can bias your results. Instead of ignoring them, use proper techniques like mean imputation, regression, or multiple imputation in SPSS or R. Mistake number 2. Misinterpreting p-values. A p-value below 0.05 does not always mean a significant result. Consider effect size, confidence intervals, and real-world impact before drawing conclusions. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong statistical test. Using the wrong statistical test leads to incorrect conclusions. Always match your test to your data type. For example, use t-tests for means, chi-square for categorical data, and regression for predictions. Want more data analysis tips? Subscribe for more. Avoid these mistakes and improve your data analysis skills. Subscribe